In this tutorial, we are going to learn list comprehension. Let's see what is list comprehension and how to use it. Let's begin. If we want to create a list of numbers which ranges from 1 to 10, how do we do that? Usually we do like this, right? A equal to square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how we create a list. If I print A, this will work. We will get output. We got the list, right? But there is another way to do the same thing. It is much easier than this method. Let me show you. I am creating one more variable b, and again I am using square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we are going to use list comprehension. The syntax will look like this. I for I in range 1 to 11. That's it. So what will happen is this for loop will take all the numbers which ranges from 1 to 10 and it will store in this list. Let's see. I'm printing B. Let's run this. We got the same output, but this method is much easier than this method because it saves a lot of time, right? I know by looking at this answer, you might not have been surprised. Now let me show you one more cool stuff. After seeing that, you will be definitely surprised. This time I'm creating a variable C and again I'm using square bracket. Inside the square bracket, again we are going to use list comprehension. The syntax will look like this. I for I in range 1 to 11. Here we are going to use if statement. Yes, it is possible. If I modulus 2 equal to 0. This is how we check whether a number is even number or not. So what will happen is, first this for loop will take numbers one by one. After that, this if statement will check whether the number is even number or not. If it is true, I mean if the number is even number, then only it will be stored in this list. Otherwise, it will not be stored. Let's see. I'm printing C. Okay. Now let's run this code. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is how it works. Cool, right? In fact, you can use both if and else statement. Let me show you. This time I'm creating a variable d. Again, I'm using list comprehension. But this syntax is little tricky. Let me show you. If I modulus 2 is equal to 0, then else print not even number. After that, we have to use for loop for I in range 1 to 11. That's it. I know this syntax is a bit confusing, but once you understand this syntax, it will be very easy. Now let's print D. Let's see what we are getting. We got not even number and 2 and not even number and 4. I hope you got the point. This is how list comprehension works.